welcome back to my channel. As you all saw from the intro, we're going to be doing a 3-in-1 today. I'm going to be installing a unit, so we're going to be doing some hair, makeup, and we're also going to be including some outfits that are going to complement the hair. So this affordable unit is from Beautyforever. This is a company that I've done a video on in the past. I'll link it in the cards above for you guys. The unit that we're going to be installing today is this water wave unit. It's in length 18 and it's also 180% density. Now, although it's in 180% density, and that's the only density that this particular unit comes in, it does seem like 150% to me. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. It's also been pre-plucked, and this is what it looks like. And this unit also comes with baby hair already pre-cut in the front. This is a 360 unit as well, so you can also put it up in a ponytail and do a number of different things with it. It also comes with combs. It doesn't have an elastic band, so if you wanted one, you'd have to sew it on. Now, when you first put the unit on, it's not going to look that glamorous, but stay with me. I'm going to show you all what to do to make it look amazing. This unit does have 6 inches of parting space, so you can part it on either side. So I'm just showing you all what the parting looks like, and as I share with you guys, not a whole lot of glamour. You do need to do some things to this unit that are really easy and quick. And the pre-pluck hairline right now, you can't really tell. The light lace is really not doing it for me, but I'm going to show you all how to make it work. And the steps that we're going to take are not going to require a great deal of work. And I'm all about that. So I'm going to show you all how to get this unit together. I'm really hype about it. So let's get to it. So the first thing we have to do is take the unit off and place it on a mannequin head. If you don't have a mannequin head and you wear wigs regularly, you need to get one, and you can find them on Amazon. Next, we're going to spray the Sally Hansen, and I like to use color Deep Glow, but use the color that matches your scalp color best. So now I'm going to brush that in using a foundation brush. After we've done that, we're going to flip over the unit so that we can see how much of an impact this made. So now you can see the parting better, you can see the pre-pluck hairline so much better. We're going to spray some water on the hairline just to get rid of the excess product that transferred onto the hair. We're going to clean that up with a makeup wipe. Don't get intimidated by that spray. You can easily clean it off. Spray water, makeup wipe, it's going to get it right off. As you can see, those 2 small steps made a major difference in how much better the unit looks. It looks so much more polished. It also looks so much better, and like it costs more than it actually did, because I told you guys this is an affordable unit. So this is what the texture looks like. Once again, it's a water wave, and we're going to spray some water on it to add in some moisture. I'm also going to add a mousse in a moment and then actually try to define the texture a bit using a detangling brush, so you guys can watch that process and then I'll come back on.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me.
Alright, so we've already prepped the unit by cutting off the lace in the front and also in the back, and now I'm going to put it on. Now, I will say that this unit was not low hairline friendly. I wasn't able to cover my side edges very well, but because it does have some texture to it, I was able to just leave my edges out on the side and it was fine. So now we're just going to add the adhesive, and I'm using the Got2b glue in the yellow bottle, and then we're going to proceed to move it forward, installing and securing the unit on.
I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right.
While we wait for the front hairline of the unit to set, I'm going to get into my makeup routine. I'm not going to actually do a voiceover this time. I'm going to just allow you all to watch that process. Do be sure to check the description box. I'll have all the products listed down there. If you guys have any questions regarding the hair install or also makeup or outfits, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer those for you all.
Whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. cross my path, yeah. I can give you that good love and that will last. So place the other mister in your past, yeah. You know it's true that you're worth more than you ever see. Ooh, baby, please just come to me. I got what you need, just know. Ooh, I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right. Whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. Hey, I just wanna talk to you. Baby, can we talk a while? Yeah, and see what this love can do. It's just gonna be us two. 'Cause baby, this love was made just for you. I promise you, baby, that I won't waste your time. I don't wanna waste your time. I'll make sure you're safe, make sure you're satisfied, love. You are a jewel, you are one of a kind. And I ain't leaving until you are mine. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right. Whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you, I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, yeah, yeah.
Here we go again. I gotta pay these bills, save something. I need 10 more hours in a day. And when I'm feeling stuck, something else comes up. Sometimes I wanna have fun, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things.
So we've now completed the makeup, our hairline is laid, but now I need to refine the front parameter just to make sure that it blends well with my makeup. I'm doing so using the Ruby Kids 3D Face Creator. After the hair and makeup will be complete, and then it'll be time to get into the outfits.
Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things.
I do want to mention that if you don't feel like it has enough volume, you can actually finger pick the hair or grab a pick to create more volume. I'm just using my fingers just to fluff it out a little more, and then we're gonna move right along.
Here we go again. I gotta start all over making friends. I need better people in my space. I wanna be in love. Other times I just wanna give up. I need to learn to trust, but I can't.
Now it's time time to get into the outfits. I felt like these would be appropriate outfits for date night. I was trying to figure out what outfit to wear when I went out with my husband, and this dress, along with all the other dresses and outfits, are from Shein. I do have a mixture of some items that may not be from Shein, but I'll list all the ones that are from Shein down in the description. I have got a few requests to do a try on haul from Shein, so here we go.
Problems that I'm dealing with, so many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many, but I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you, stop worrying about everything. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you, stop worrying about everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Let it be, just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet. Stop worrying about everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet. Stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you, stop worrying about it.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of this 3-in-1. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Be sure to check the description box for the link and all the specifications for this hair. Also, my makeup details, outfit details, they're all going to be provided below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you all like these 3-in-1s, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, share it with a friend. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on